Alrighty team, so we're going to be going through our Captain Morgans now. Not to be mistaken with our Captain Chairs, or Captain's Chair, whatever one it is. We've got our Captain Morgans. Now, this is a great priming drill. So you're doing this in your prep phase or even in your warm-up phase. Very, very, very beneficial. Of course, can be later on in the stage as well if we're just working on overall endurance. So when we set up, the way I like to do it is we take our normal stance next to the wall with the foot that's closest touching. From here, this is probably the most key thing. We're not driving the shoulder in, it's all about pushing the hips in. So from here, I'm staying center, and of course this is going to smooth up as you do more, but for point of the demonstration, I'm staying center where I am. I'm in a slight bit of a squat. From here, I drive the hips in. So I'm pushing that butt in, my hand isn't touching, I can rotate if I want. From here, I just lift the foot back, sink down just a little bit so I'm still higher than 45 degrees, and I'm pushing as hard as I can. I'm trying to push this wall over. Notice, guys, that my shoulder isn't touching. Where you can become stuck with this is if you try and stay up too high and just fall in to the side like that. So if I fall in, no good, not gonna help. I wanna start in the squat stance, so make sure my feet are wide enough. I'm gonna come down slightly, then from my midpoint, my chin stays still. I just push the hips across, lift the leg up, and there I am. Of course, you can touch, it doesn't matter from there, but we want to make sure that we're pushing in right around sort of the butt and ITB, or side of the leg. So we're pushing nice and hard. Lastly, with the feet, doesn't matter if there's a little bit external rotation, that's completely fine. We just want to make sure that we're pushing hard, we've got that slight bit of bend, and we're squeezing the glute. So we should be getting that glute me, glute min, really starting to fire. So that's our Captain Morgans there, guys. Like I said, great for warm-up, great for prep, great for anywhere in this program, especially if you're struggling to feel your glutes in a glute predominant exercise, like a squat, like a step up, like a deadlift. Get on this baby, hold it for a couple of seconds, 30 to 45 to a minute, even longer. Get it firing, get back